Most engines don't just suddenly quit. They send warnings, subtle signals that something isn't right. The problem? Most drivers ignore these signs until it's too late, ending up with expensive repairs that could have been avoided. But what if I told you there are simple, proven fixes that can make your engine feel like new again, restoring power, smoothness, and efficiency without breaking the bank? In this video, I'll walk you through 7 game-changing steps that any car owner can do, and the last one is a secret even some professional mechanics rarely talk about. It could save you thousands of dollars. By the end, your engine will run smoother, consume less fuel, and last far longer. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. As engines age, they can become sluggish, stall unexpectedly, or idle roughly. And these aren't random problems. They're warning signs telling you that your engine needs attention. The first step to bringing it back to life is proper diagnosis, and nothing beats an OBD2 scanner for this job. A good scanner reads live data, resets service reminders, and even activates certain service functions. Ideally, get one that can automatically detect your car's VIN number. But if not, choose a model that lets you manually input your vehicle make and model for accurate reports. Locate the OBD2 port under the steering column. Plug in the scanner. Turn the ignition on and run a full system scan. Some error codes are straightforward. For example, P0301 indicates a misfire in cylinder 1, often caused by spark plugs, ignition coils, or catalytic issues. High-mileage vehicles may also show ghost codes with no real problem. Correct diagnosis is the foundation. Skip this step, and every repair you do may be wasted effort. Step 2. Inspect and clean the throttle body. A common cause of engine sluggishness and rough idling is carbon buildup in the throttle body. Over time, carbon deposits accumulate on the butterfly valve, restricting airflow. This can lead to poor fuel mixture, rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and sometimes stalling. Most manufacturers recommend cleaning the throttle body every 30,000 miles, or according to your vehicle manual, yet many drivers ignore this simple maintenance step until performance noticeably drops. Cleaning is straightforward but requires care. First, locate the throttle body, usually between the air filter and intake manifold. Disconnect the battery to ensure safety, then remove any hoses or connections. Put on gloves and eye protection before spraying a generous amount of throttle body cleaner onto the butterfly valve. Use a soft cloth or toothbrush to scrub away carbon deposits gently, being careful not to touch nearby sensors. After cleaning, allow the throttle body to air dry completely before reattaching hoses and reconnecting the battery. A properly cleaned throttle body restores smooth airflow, improving throttle response, fuel efficiency, and overall engine performance. Combined with other maintenance steps, it can make your engine feel like it's running brand new again. Step 3. Replace the air filter. The air filter plays a crucial role in delivering clean air to your engine, maintaining the perfect fuel-air mixture for combustion. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder, reducing fuel efficiency, causing sluggish performance, and sometimes creating unusual engine noises. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Replacing it is simple. Locate the air filter housing, unlatch or unscrew it, remove the old filter, and insert a new one. Ensure it sits properly before closing the housing. When paired with a cleaned throttle body, a fresh air filter maximizes airflow, improving acceleration, engine responsiveness, and fuel economy, giving your engine a noticeable performance boost. Step 4. Clean the MAF sensor. The mass airflow (MAF) sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine and sends this data to the ECU, which calculates the correct fuel injection. A dirty or faulty MAF sensor disrupts this balance, leading to rough idling, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and sometimes warning lights. Cleaning is simple but requires care. First, locate the MAF sensor, usually between the air filter box and throttle body. Disconnect the electrical connector and unscrew the sensor. Using MAF-specific cleaner, spray the hot wire or plate inside without touching it. Let it air dry completely. Never use other cleaners or a cloth on the wire, as it's extremely delicate. This maintenance is typically done once a year, and when combined with a cleaned throttle body and fresh air filter, it ensures the engine receives the proper air-fuel mixture, helping it run smoothly and efficiently like new. Step 5. Change engine oil. As engines age, oil becomes more critical for keeping internal parts lubricated and protected. Older engines consume more oil, accumulate contaminants, and face reduced cooling efficiency, making frequent oil changes essential. For newer vehicles, oil changes might be needed every 7,500 to 15,000 miles. But for high-mileage cars, it's safer to follow a 3,000 to 5,000 mile schedule. Regular oil changes can extend your engine's life by up to 75%, reducing wear on bearings, pistons, and other critical components. Choosing the correct oil type is just as important. Synthetic oil lasts longer and provides better protection, especially for turbocharged engines, while conventional oil may suffice for older, simpler designs. Using the wrong type can cause damage or decrease efficiency. Changing oil yourself not only saves money but also gives you control over quality and timing. Remember to dispose of old oil responsibly at certified collection points to protect the environment. Proper oil care is a small step with a huge payoff for engine longevity. Step 6. Clean the fuel system. Over time, carbon and debris can build up inside your fuel system, causing hard starts, engine knocking, sluggish acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency. Ignoring this can lead to serious engine problems and costly repairs. Regular cleaning keeps the fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers free of deposits, ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance. The easiest way to clean the system is by using a high-quality fuel system cleaner. Recommended products include Techron Concentrate Plus Seafoam, Gum Out, or 505 CRF. Some even used or endorsed by manufacturers. To use, wait until your tank is nearly empty, pour the cleaner in, then refill with fuel. Drive gently for 50 to 100 miles to allow the additive to circulate and break down carbon deposits throughout the fuel line and combustion system. The benefits are immediate: improved throttle response, smoother acceleration, and better MPG. Regular use of fuel system cleaners also prevents major repairs, keeping your engine running like new without costly interventions. Step 7. Replace old and worn components. Even the most durable engines rely on supporting components to perform optimally. Over time, parts like spark plugs, ignition coils, timing belts, intake hoses, ball joints, batteries, brakes, and fluids wear out, reducing acceleration, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. Replacing these worn components restores the engine's responsiveness and prevents minor issues from becoming major repairs. Many of these replacements can be done DIY, saving hundreds of dollars. For instance, swapping out old spark plugs can improve acceleration by up to 30%, giving your engine a noticeable boost in performance. For a final secret trick, consider using an engine seal additive. Pour it into the oil-filled cap and run the engine. It helps seal minor leaks and prevents oil loss. When combined with all previous steps, these replacements and treatments can make an older engine run like new again, without the expense of a full rebuild. If you're finding these tips useful, hit that subscribe button now, so you never miss the next guide that could save your car thousands and keep your engine running like new. Following these 7 simple steps can completely transform your engine's performance, efficiency, and lifespan. From cleaning airflow components to replacing worn parts and using the secret engine seal trick, each action contributes to smoother rides, better fuel economy, and fewer costly repairs. These steps are just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll dive into advanced maintenance hacks and hidden tips that mechanics rarely share, designed to keep your car performing at peak condition even as it ages. Tell us in the comments which steps surprised you most, or which ones you already practice. Your experiences can help fellow car enthusiasts keep their engines healthy. If you want to never miss these insider tips, subscribe now and turn on notifications for more ways to make your car feel like new every day.